What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving with a brand new topic. July is shaping to be scholar in the smartphone world with tons of exciting release on the horizons. So grab your metaphorical credit cards because we are diving into the top 10 upcoming smartphone that released on July 2024. So number 10 and 9 number 10 is IQ OOZ9 Turbo. This is bad boy is rumored to pack a series of punch with the latest Snapdragon 8s Generation 3 processor and a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate with AMOLED display. Gamers, you might like this phone and keep your on eyes on this phone. Number 10 is Samsung. So Samsung has released a July phone. This is called Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The foldable phone craze continues. The Z Fold 6 Ultra is expected to boost an even a larger foldable display and some next levels camera tech. Folding phones are still pricey, but this ones might be worth it for everyone. The speculation for the unlimited multitasking experience that Samsung can give. Number 7 and number 8. The number 8 is OnePlus Nord 4. The OnePlus Nord series is known for offering a great value phone, and the Nord 4 is expected to continue that tradition. Look out for a sleek design, capable of mid-range processor and a camera system that punches above its base class. And the next phone is number 7. So this is called a Realme GT Neo phone. Realme is another brand known for bringing the best phone, the heat on the mid-range segment. The Realme can give super wide and a mid-range phones. The GT Neo 4 set to be a speed demon with incredibly fast charging capability, perfect for those who work on social media. So this is a game changer. Are always on the go. So number 6 and number 5, the segment we have selected. The number 6 is Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Xiaomi has always punches the boundary with their flagship phones. Xiaomi has a great flagship phone, and the 13 Ultra is no expectations. Expect tops of the line specs is a mind-blowing camera system and a design that turn heads. And the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a game changer. So next 5 is Nothing Phone 2. So Nothing has recently now launched a Nothing 2A. So July they will launch Nothing 2. This Nothing phone, the Nothing Phone 1 made waves with its unique transparent design. The Nothing 2 is surrounded in a bits of mysterious, but rumors suggest even more innovating design that Nothing has designed, eliminate an exciting feature that they will give you. The number 4 and number 3 is segment that we talk about the phone. The number 4 is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Samsung S series is a premium and luxury series that Samsung has given. The S24 is best for camera system and AI feature. The S24 FE is expected to be a more affordable version for Samsung flagships S24 series. This phone could be a great option for those who want a Samsung phone for premium features without the premium price tag. So this phone is best for you. The next, Motorola Edge 14 Pro. Motorola is making a comeback in the high-end smartphone market with the Edge 14 Pro. This phone is rumored to be a powerful processor and a gorgeous display and a competitive price point that Motorola launched this phone in July. So let's talk about the number 2 and number 4 that launched in July, and this is final. So number 2 is that we have considered the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. This X series is known for its tops, notches camera, and Find X7 Ultra is expected to take things even further. Imagine a phone with a quad lens cameras systems that capture stunning photos and videos for epic in any lighting system in any great and rush light. That Oppo Find X7 Ultra is capturing a stunning photos and videos. The number 1 phone that launched in July is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Samsung has launched the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is one of the most foldable phones in the market, and the Z Flip 5 is poised to be continuing their trends. Look for a more refined design, improved durability, and a better performance that Samsung can give. So this is the top 10 phones that launched in July. We will talk about every phone in short, but this phone has been launched. We will separate video for one phone, and we will dive for we will review all phones in all category. So when there's a releasing a list of upcoming smartphone, remember this all are based on rumors and leaks, so specs and details might changes. But one thing's for sure, July is going to be a battleground for smartphone and super messy. One thing is not changed. Okay, July is going to be a battleground for smartphones and super messy. Let me know in the comment box which phone you are the most excited about, and to if you want to love this video, so share this video, and if you want to stay updated on this latest checks and news and review channel, so be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. So we will see you next video.